Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Danya. Today I'm going to show you how to claim your CBFi token from Pinksale Launchpad. So first, you go to Google and you type Pinksale. You click on the first one. This is Pinksale, the Launchpad protocol for everyone. You go to the Launchpads and you click on Launchpad list. And you search CBFi. Oh, the sale has ended. Now we click on View Pool. This pool has ended. You can import the token to MetaMask using this address. So you just copy it, you go to MetaMask, and you click on Assets. You scroll down. If you don't have CBFi, you click on Import Tokens, and you just place the token address. So I already have the CBFi in my MetaMask. Now I want to claim. So first, you click on the pink button that says Claim 100,000 CBFi. It will link to your MetaMask. Now you just have to click on Confirm. Now it has said Claim Token Successfully. So if you want to check your CBFi token in the blockchain, you click on MetaMask. You go to Assets and you click on CBFi. It's already 100,000 CBFi. So how to check the transaction in blockchain is you click on these three dots, View Account and Details, and you press View Account at BSC Scan. And then you click on this. You find Coinbox Finance. You click on it. And this is the transaction just now we did. And there you go, I have 100,000 CBFi. This is a very simple step how to claim your token in Pinksale Launchpad. Okay guys, that's all from me. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye! Mwah!